So we've had breakfast, done yoga, and we just got a tricycle down to the main road, and now we're going to try and see if we can catch a bus to Cebu City. And I'm not sure how long that'll take. That really depends on traffic and the time of the day that you leave, but I'm estimating about 4 hours to get to the South Cebu City station. And I'll also let you know how much that costs as well. So we're from the area of Barian. So the ticket is 146 peso each. So I thought I'd better give you an update on what's happening today. So when we arrived at the station, the bus sort of ran just under 4 hours, which is really good, but then I realised that traffic was really bad, so we got a motorcycle each to get to the airport. Now that is the quickest way to get around Cebu City. Cebu City is absolutely terrible for traffic. Outside the hours are probably 10 PM to about 9 AM outside those hours. Now our flight has been delayed 3 times now. So fingers crossed that we will depart soon and head off to the next place. So we're going to go to the island of Palawan. We've got to fly into the city for Princesa. That was the cheapest place for us to fly in from Cebu. So the place we're staying at is about 3 kilometres away from the Princesa airport in Palawan, and we paid 200 pesos to get a tricycle from the airport to here. We didn't really sort of bargain with him, he just sort of how much you want to pay, and I said, oh, 200 sounds like a good price. And so, you know, we probably could have got cheaper if we wanted, but just it flowed easy, and the guy was really nice. I'm at the place that we're staying at, and I was just going to give a wee tour of the property. It's really nice. If we like it quite a lot, like it, first impressions are really good, then maybe we'll stay here again on our way back, because we've got a reasonably early flight from here to Manila when we finish our Philippines trip. If we're going to be quite far away in the island, I don't know whether we could get transport, you know, leaving at like 3 or 2 in the morning. It just won't make more sense to come back here.
Creeping through the shadows and the corners of your mind. I go where the wind blows. I run but I don't hide. I hear the call of the wild, whispering the name. No, I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.